back to my channel. This video is going to be about this makeup look right here. I'm going to be recreating it for you guys. This is actually kickstarting a makeup series that I had promised back in my coffee conversations before, and this makeup series is actually based on the 5 elements. We all know that the basic elements are fire, earth, air, water and spirit. So I was thinking that I'll take each element as a base and like a base color, and then I'll follow my makeup look based on that color and based on the characteristics of that element. So that is basically all about this makeup series. So it's going to be basically 5 makeup looks, starting with spirit right here, which I associate with white, and I have created this look representing especially white and something glowy and something like dewy and mostly natural. So that kind of makeup look is what I associate with spirit, or what they call it as akash and stuff like that. So it is basically the divine aspect of the 5 elements, and I associate divine with something white and something glowy. So that is how I created this look. I would like to mention that a little bit of inspiration for this look I had got from this particular person. This is the look that I was inspired by. This is the look that Kriti Kharbanda had owned to Grazia Millennial Awards 2019, and as soon as I saw this picture, I had I felt like I had struck a gold mine for the concept that I had in my mind, where I wanted to create a makeup look based with the spirit element of the 5 basic elements. This look is like a simpler version. It is very simple, and you can create it with all of the products that you already have in hand, and it is nothing complicated at all. So if you're interested to learn how to create this cute and glowy and dewy little glamorous look, then keep watching. That is all for this video, you guys. I hope you found this makeup look interesting, and if you have any comments or suggestions or anything of that sort, please do share them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because like I mentioned, there are 4 more makeup looks coming up in this series, which is going to be based on water, fire, earth and air. Till the next time I come back with another amazing video. Bye bye and take care.